Hello everybody, welcome to Python programming example for beginners and professional video series. So in this video, we are going to see about how to find the factorial of a number in Python. Here is the Python shell. I'll go to file, I'll take new file. If you want to find the factorial of a number, we want one number. I will take that number in n. I'll use the input function. I'll convert that whatever number I'll read into integer. Then I'll make use of one variable called fact. I'll initialize this to 1. So if whatever number I have read, that is if n is equal to 0, so 0 factorial is 1, I will simply print factorial of 0 is 1. Factorial of 0 is 1. For the if I have to give colon, else you will get an error. Else, if the number is greater than 0, I have to find the factorial of the number. For that, for the repetition, I'll use for loop. For I in range, I'll use the range function. So I have to start from 1 to n plus 1. If you want to find the factorial of 5, how will you find 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5? So that is the factorial. For that, what I'll do is I will start with 1 and I will go up to n plus 1. Starting range, I'll give 1 and the second value I'll give n plus 1. Now, fact is equal to fact into I'll use. Suppose you have taken n value 5. So first time I value will be 1 and the next time I value will be 2. Next 3, 4 up to 5 it will go. We'll print the value of factorial where we have stored. We have stored the factorial of a number in a variable called fact. I'll come out of this and I will just print it. Print the factorial of a number. The factorial of a number is equal to fact. That's all. Very simple program. Let me save it. I will save with the name fact1 dot fact already there. I'll give fact2 fact2.py. I'll click on save. Then I'll run this. It is asking me enter the number. If I enter 5, now see here the factorial of a number 5 is 120. So student, I hope you understood this program. Thank you. Thank you so much.